Yes, hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to our today's session. Today we're going to talk about what we call a dark web. All right, so we're going to talk about dark web. Basically, what does it mean by dark web? Means you are trying to hide your identity, not only your identity. You can try also to hide your location, right? So you are trying to access another device, but you don't want to be noticed. You don't want your location to be noticed, right? What you can do, you can use what we call a dark web, right? So dark web will allow you to surf without being noticed, right? Let me try to share my screen. So yeah, screen. Yeah. So what is a dark web, right? So the dark web is the World Wide Web content that exists on the darknet, overlay networks that use the internet but require specific software configurations or authorization to access. So what does it mean basically? Let me try to stop sharing. What does it mean? It means this, right? You know, when you are accessing a website or a particular device, there is already a trace that you are leaving. So there is a way to track you, right? So suppose like there is one computer here, that computer trying to access another computer, right? Whatever that you are going to do, your location, your IP address will be known, right? For you to avoid that, what you need to do, you can use what we call a dark web, right? So the dark web will allow you to access the website, to access the location, or to access the device without being noticed. So your identity will be hidden, and your location also will be hidden, right? So I can use my phone to access a particular website, right? So whatever that I'm going to do can be noticed, and they will know that it's my device that did, right? How do we know? My device will have what we call a physical address. For every device that you are going to use, like this phone, like your laptop will have a specific physical address, right? Like my phone will have a physical address or what we call a MAC address. Because of that physical address, whatever that I'm gonna do using my phone can be found, right? Now, for me to avoid that, I can use what we call a dark web, right? And we do have so many dark web, right? But I'm gonna give you the most used or the most popular, right? Let me try to share my screen. You're going to see, right? So those are the most popular dark web. We do have what we call Tor. Tor is the most popular, I2P and FREENET, right? But the most popular is Tor, right? And Tor stands for, right? Tor stands for the Onion Routing Project, right? Now the question comes, how to get Tor, right? How to get a dark web like this Tor, how to get it, right? This is the question. It's very easy. So I'm going to show you how to get Tor, how to download it, and how to install it, and how you can use it, right? So this Tor, this dark web will allow you to surf the internet anonymously, right? And your traffic will be encrypted. Your identity will be hidden and your location, right? What does it mean? So you are going to access like a particular website by using random routes, right? By using random routes, that's going to be very difficult for somebody to trace you, right? And those routes, we call them relays, right? So when you are using a dark web, means we're talking about what? Routes, right? We're using random code. And those random routes, it's called relays. and we do have more than 7,000 relays, right? So you do have one device here and another device. You want to communicate, right? For you to communicate, your message will go by using what we call random route, right? Those random route, we can call them relays, right? So from basic understanding, we're talking about dark web, right? And those dark webs will allow you to access a particular website or a particular device without being noticed, and your location will be hidden, right? But what you need to understand how dark web works, right? When you have one device like here and you have another one, right? When you are trying to communicate, your message will go through random routes, right? So the route will be chosen randomly, right? Because your message will go by using so many devices, like in the middle, from your device to another device. There are so many devices in the middle, and those devices will be chosen randomly, right? And those random routes, we call them relays. So dark web uses relays to transmit data or to transmit for transmission, right? So dark web uses random route or relays for communication, right? And what you need to understand, we do have like so many dark webs like out there, but the most popular that we are going to talk about today, we're going to talk about Tor, right? The onion routing project, how to get it, how to download it, and how to use it, right? So I'm going to show you now how to get Tor, right? Let me try to share my screen. Yeah. Now, for you to get Tor, what you must do, it's very, very, very easy, right? So the quickest way to access the dark web is to download and install Tor Browser, right? You have to download it and install it, right? Now, what you must do, you must only go to Tor Browser, right? So you go to your browser, right? You only look for Tor project, right? I think I got it already somewhere, right? Okay, if you go to your browser, you only type torproject.org. Let me type it for you. It's torproject.org, right? This is the name of the website, right? torproject.org. Okay, so when you are there, you click on download, right? Let's go back. So torproject.org, right? You look where it says download Tor browser, you click there. So after downloading, you have to install it. So I got it already, you have to install it, right? And when you are done with the installation, right, it's going to appear like this, right? So this is what we call Tor browser. So from here, you can use any website. I can use youtube.com, go to youtube.com, right? Yeah. Right? You can go to youtube.com, you can do whatever you like, right? So this is how you can use a dark web to do your research, to do like anything, right? Or maybe you as an ethical hacker, you can use it when you want to find out what's going on, maybe inside your company, or you want to find out how the communication works and so on, right? Thank you very much, guys. For my next video, we are going to talk about I2P, right? Let me try. Oh, Even sharing the screen. Okay. Yeah. So I was saying for you to get Tor, you have to type torproject.org, and so it's going to bring you to the website, to Tor projects. Let's see the website. Basically here, you only type when you download it, and when you are done, you have just to run it, right? I already run it. I think it's already on my screen. Okay. Start Tor project. I can start it from my screen. Right. Let's see. Yeah. This is how I can start it. Yeah, it's already here. So I can use youtube.com. Right. Very easy, right? I'm trying just to get YouTube or to access YouTube. Yeah, right? Yeah, thank you very much. See you to our next video, right? Bye. For any concern, don't hesitate to contact me via email.